In this video, I'll share the 3 gold robots I'm going to trade in 2024 with you. I've already tested them on a demo account, some are on live accounts, and one of them is showing mind-blowing results. The first one is the Happy Gold EA that showed amazing results on demo account. You can see a profit of $949, and that is in a demo account of $5,000. You can see a lot of trades that open and closed for the last 1 month. The lot size is increasing according to the account size, which means that I'm risking a certain percentage from the account. And if I show you the expert properties, you will see that there is such an option, and I decided to risk 3% from the account. You will see that the max drawdown I had during this time is 3.09%. The gain is nearly 19%, which is an incredible result for 1.5 months according to me, and bear in mind that this is not a grid martingale system. Now if I compare the results with the vendor's account, you will see that the expert advisor gained nearly 300%. The drawdown was 11.7%, but this is since February 2023. And let's compare the trades so we will know if this is a reliable and honest statistic. So just look at the very last trades that opened and closed from the 17th, 12th and the 11th of January 2024. And if I show you the account history in my demo account, I believe these are the very same trades, but let's compare them. So right in here we have the 17th at 16:55, same time on my demo account, 17, 16, 11 on the same date, 11 past 4 p.m. and I have the same time, and you can see that all of the rest match perfectly, which means that the vendor is not manipulating the results on his MyFXbook account, and we can expect similar performance to what we see on the vendor's account. And so far I've been trading the Happy Gold on a demo account with Black Bull Markets, but I have funded a live account and I'm going to put it as well on a 100k challenge because the results I see so far are promising, and if it keeps trading the same way, I think it will be suitable also for passing challenges, and I feel comfortable trading it on $1,000 live account. I will put the links down below in the description to these accounts from MyFXbook, so whenever you're watching the video you can see how the Happy Gold EA is performing in all of my accounts. I'll also leave a link to their website so you can learn more about the expert advisor. I think the vendor is from Germany, and you can see that they sell their EAs in a pack where you will get 10 EAs. And what I found quite interesting here is that there is kind of a history of how they improved and updated the EA over time, and you can see the improvements on every version, which makes it kind of trustworthy that the developers are actually working on improving the expert advisor. The next expert advisor I'm going to trade this year is the Gold Investor that performed really well first on my demo account. You can see a profit of $1,328, or if I show you my FXbook account, you will see that this is a profit of nearly 11%. The growth is steady. There was a drawdown which is less than 5%, and now it is recovering this recent stagnation, but this is also a scalping robot. It's not a grid martingale system, so drawdowns are expected. If I show you the vendor's account, you will see that there were times when the expert advisor was in stagnation, especially in 2022, but recently it is profiting very steadily. I've already compared the results from the vendor's account and my account, so I know that the track record is trustworthy, so I felt comfortable putting it on $1,000 live account, and it already made about $50 of a profit. You can see that I've been trading this account since the beginning of the year, but don't take any of that as a financial advice. You should start trading with an amount that you are comfortable with, and if you want to start with a small account to test any broker, you can look at Black Bull Markets that are a regulated broker based in New Zealand. You can check the regulations on the bottom of their homepage, and as well they allow a very low starting amount. You can see that with the ECN standard account account. You can deposit as little as you wish. There are no commissions in this account and the spreads start from 0.8. Plus they offer a lot of trading platforms. Obviously I use Metatrader 4 and 5 because I trade with expert advisors, and they offer a lot of tradable assets like Forex, commodities, equities, indices, metals, and they have a very good execution speed. I'll leave the link down below in the description to Black Bull markets as well if you want to test them with a demo or live account. And for the Forex Gold Investor, I have trusted it enough to put it on one more account, and that is Infinity 200k challenge. And you can see that the expert advisor is about to pass the challenge, 8.27%. As again, the profit is 16,544, so I need another 3,500 and it will pass the challenge fully automatically. I'll also leave the link to that account down below in the description. And a 200k challenge is almost like a live account of $1,000 because it costs $1,000. And in one of my next videos, I'm planning to overview all of my live accounts. The Forex Gold Investor comes from a website called FX Automator, and they offer quite a lot of discounts. What really impressed me is the fact they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. And you can see that currently the Forex Gold Investor sits at $167, which is one of the lowest in the industry. The third expert advisor I'm about to trade this year is the XUBOT Pro, which is a robot that I reviewed last year, but the developers said that they are working on a huge update and they launched it. They have implemented several strategies that you can control from the chart, and also they have updated the expert advisor with plenty of inputs. We have the option to receive signals through Telegram, fundamental analysis, money flow and MACD momentum settings, support and resistance and breakout settings, RSI and Bollinger Band and stochastic settings. So there is actually more than one strategy in this single expert advisor, and there are plenty of inputs like calendar settings, money management, time settings, scalp strategy setting. You can also control which markets you want to trade, and it is XUBOT, but it trades Forex pairs as well. And for the purpose of the test, I have set it on Aussie CAD, Aussie New Zealand, New Zealand CAD and Pound New Zealand. You can see that in the account history I already have positive results. So these are all trades that open and closed, and so far I have $70 of a profit. But I've been trading this expert advisor since the 7th until the 19th, so it's about 2 weeks time. The cool thing with XUBOT is that you can start with a trial account for 15 days and you can decide if you want to rent it monthly or for 6 months. And for the XUBOT AI Pro, you have the option to get it for a lifetime for $1,200. So I'll leave the link to my testing account with the XUBOT Pro down below in the description, so whenever you're watching the video you will know how the robot is performing. But there is nothing really to lose if you put it on a demo account with the free trial, so you will learn more about the strategy behind the robot. As always, I thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video, and before you go, check out this video on my side to learn which are the top Forex expert advisors I'm currently trading. As always, trade safe, don't forget that I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.